Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can join your friend's game on Roblox. So for instance, your friend is playing a game and you want to join like the same lobby as them. They can either invite you to play or you can join it by yourself. You do have to be friends with them though, or else it won't show up. So as you can see, this person is playing a game and I'm just going to join them. He's my brother. I'm just going to select this and I'm just going to select join, and I'll be able to join the game that he's in. I don't know what game this is, but yeah, that is pretty much how you can join your friend's game on Roblox. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.